There are people who were born into a poor family, talaga may ganon. Meron namang mga tao na they were born into a rich family. You did not make the choice. Okay, so kung born ka into a poor family, may opportunity ka to break the curse of poverty in that family. Why? Because it's God's desire that you don't remain poor. It's God's desire that you prosper. It's only through a loving relationship with God that you will be able to break that curse of poverty. Since it is God's will to prosper you, then you have to align your thoughts with God, because prosperity is not the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal of God is for you to have that loving relationship with God, to know Him and make Him known. That's the ultimate goal. It's not the prosperity that is the ultimate goal. And therefore, you just have to keep on having that faith in Him by having a deeper and deeper relationship with Him and knowing His will and having the right attitude and developing certain habits that will keep you out of poverty. You keep on doing that, and yung ibang mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo mahahawa doon sa kultura mo na kakaiba sa kultura nila, and eventually the culture of the kingdom of God will prevail in your family. That's how you break the chain of poverty in your family.